Hi, welcome to another video of Mastering WhatsApp and SMS Marketing course. So in this video, I will teach you how you can send bulk WhatsApp message campaign. In the previous video, we created a groups and we imported some contacts, right? So for that, simply, first of all, if you're using a free plan, remember that there will be a footer credit for every message that you send from SMSrush. We'll say send by SMSrush.net. So that's a footer credit. But whenever you move to a paid plan, the footer credit will get removed. And currently I can check my subscription here. So if I click on subscription, you can see my subscription. I am on a professional plan and these are my daily limits. So you can also check your daily limits and your package details here as well. And if you want to subscribe any plan, you can simply click on packages and you can choose the plan, and you can make payment with PayPal, credit card, or whatever payment that you can use here. Simply click on purchase, select the duration. So if you want to subscribe for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or a year, you can simply increase the month duration from here. Click on purchase, and here is the PayPal. But don't worry, if you want to use credit card, you can do that. Simply go with the PayPal, and then here you will get an option: pay with PayPal, debit, or credit card. You can use any method that you want to use here. So I'm going to go back to dashboard because I already have a paid plan. Simply go to WhatsApp. So remember that to connect to WhatsApp, go to host and first make sure your WhatsApp is connected. And I can see here my WhatsApp is connected. So I will come back to WhatsApp to send a bulk campaign. So you simply need to click on WhatsApp, go to campaigns here, and simply click on bulk. So there are two ways you can do that. So bulk is one option, and if you use a more dynamic way of using a message, you can use the Excel file as well, but we will do bulk. So click on that, and here you need to give a name to your campaign, and don't forget to add your number here for so if you don't have imported or contact groups, you can simply add your number here with a country code. So I simply added the number here, and then from here you need to select the account. Basically this is a WhatsApp account, so I selected this one. And if you're using multiple accounts, you can simply click here, and from the drop down you can select those accounts. And here is going to be the contact groups. So which group you want to send that campaign. From here I can simply go to, let's say, Singapore group, or you can select multiple groups. And then we are not using any URL shortener right now, and from here you can use, if you have created templates, and we will learn that later on in this course how you can create the templates. And here you can type your message, and then you can select the message type, like either it's going to be text message, media, or document, whatever you are going to send. Currently, let's say I'm going to say hi, and I can personalize this message by simply using this tag hi, add some space. So hi, add space. So hi, give a space, and then put this code here. You can copy this code from the bottom, and then that will dynamically pick the name of the business or the contacts from your group, and then use that for this campaign. I want to say welcome to SMSrush. This is WhatsApp, and I will also teach you how you can use the Spintax here. So let's say I would use this. You can, to use the Spintax, you can use this format. So let's say I'm saying this is the bulk. Instead of bulk, this is, let's say, you can rotate that. I will add the brackets, and then I'll say this is the best, and then I say this is good, well known in WhatsApp marketing software. So in that way, one of the keyword will be used from here. It will be like, this is the good WhatsApp marketing software. someone will receive this is well-known WhatsApp marketing software. Someone said this is the best WhatsApp marketing software. So keywords will be rotated automatically. And same we can do with the greetings as well. Let's say instead of hi, if you want to make dynamics, you can say hi, and then we can say at the pipeline, then you can say hello. At the pipeline, then you can say hey, and then you can close those brackets, give a space, and then contact name, and in that way you can make it more dynamic. But I will add my message here later on. I have created a message from the use. You can use the chat GPT to create a multiple. Then I should just give them the format, and then it will make a dynamic messages for you. And if you want them to opt automatically, what you can do, you can simply you need to type that. If you want to unsubscribe, please reply. And don't add the please if you want to make the text more short. And if you want customers to opt out from your list, you can simply type this. If you want to unsubscribe, reply, and then you can put this text here, unsubscribe command. So make sure before pasting this command, you need to type this, because it will be like, it will say if you want to unsubscribe, reply stop. So this command is going to be it will add a word stop, but dynamically when someone will reply stop, it will automatically add it to the unsubscribed list. So make sure you need to do that. And that's how you can give option to your customers to opt out from this if they don't want to receive the marketing messages. And that's it. I have created a message that I will copy paste here, and you will see. Okay, so I have created this message, and you can see there. First of all, I used the Spintax here. So it's saying hi, hello, hey, greetings, and then add a space, and then I use this command shortcode to make it more personalized. So it says contact name, and it will automatically pick the name of business or the customer name that we used in other list. And then you can see here I created a more dynamic message. You can also use that for yourself. Are you looking to, this is basically a more dynamic way of creating this message, but you can use the very simple format as well to boost, scale, and grow your. Then I use again Spintax, real estate, property, business with efficient, smart, effective communication. So here I close that. Then there is a pipeline struggling to, and this is a very unique message that I created here. And I asked the question, and then I highlighted some points with SMSrush what they can do. Like again, I make every bullet point more personalized, added some emojis here, personalize every message, craft unique messages for each client effortlessly. And then you can see rotate keywords and sentences using Spintax. And then here I use the Spintax feature, right? And you can also do that. And that's how you can format this message, and I did that. And you can see that here. And I also use that if you want to unsubscribe, reply. Here I also use the Spintax. So there will be a multiple versions of my message, and WhatsApp will never recognize if I am sending bulk messages, doing spamming or something. Like basically this is not a scamming, this is just a marketing purpose that I'm going to use that. And I also added a unsubscribe command. So if you to unsubscribe, reply stop, and someone will reply stop, they will automatically get opt out from my list for the future purposes. So that's it. And after creating this message, what I'm going to, I added one of our number here. So first message will deliver to this number, and I also enabled random sending interval, and I showed you how you can enable that in our previous videos where we connected the WhatsApp account. So after that, simply click on send, and when you click on send, our campaign will be scheduled. And here you can see that Under the campaigns, you can see this campaign has created on this date, time, what's the campaign name, which account we have used to send the campaign, type of our campaign, how many contacts are there, and you can see 0 over 67 contacts, 66 contacts were in the group, and 1 contact was added manually by myself. And if I click here, I can refresh that, and as I enabled random sending interval, so it will take some time. I enable I think so 100 to 150 or 120 seconds a time interval, so each message will get delivered randomly. And that's awesome. I also created multiple versions, and that's how you can create a campaign for your business. That's it for now, and see you in the next video.